Hello and welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to easily activate your Lycamobile SIM card. Whether you just got a new SIM or your network isn't working, Step 1. Insert the SIM card. First, insert the Lycamobile SIM card into your phone. Make sure your phone is switched off while doing this. Now, turn on the phone. Once your phone is on, wait a few seconds. If the network signal appears, your SIM is automatically activated. If not, follow the next steps. Step 3. Manual activation. Dial 190 or *131#, depending on your country. Or call Lycamobile customer service from another phone. You might need to provide your SIM number or PUC code printed on the SIM card pack. Step 4. Online activation. Look for the Activate SIM section. Enter your SIM number, usually printed on the SIM card or pack. Follow the on-screen steps to complete activation. Fill this page details, zip code, your new SIM, number, any phone, Gmail, PUC code in your SIM card. After fill details, tab on Continue button. That's it. Your Lycamobile SIM is now activated and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.